What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another car vlog, and today we are at a dealership called Drive a Dream. Now they do have a good selection of cars, so I came to, come look at them. They got some different stuff up here, more of imported cars like Benz, BMW, stuff like that. They do got a GT500 right there, but I'm gonna get y'all some content right here because I haven't given y'all no shopping vlog or nothing, no car dealership vlogs. I don't know.
Still looking though, huh?
Yeah. So right now we're just looking. They got a few couple things. I think this is an E50, E something 3. Let me see. Let's see if I know my Benz. E63, E53, E63S. Yeah, film it. Yeah, C300. Yeah, they got a bunch of stuff here. They got a big old Mercedes bus here also. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I like Benz. I like Benz right here. Y'all see, this is a C63. I think this is a 63. Yeah, C63, all right. But yeah, like, this shit looks great. I would really get one of these. And this is C43 in that mocha brown. So y'all see the C63 right here. Bro, this looks great. Oh my gosh. Look at the inside. This shit looks great, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I might get the keys for that because that shit looks great, bro. And they got the GT63S's over here. They got a 53 right here. They got a 63S, a 63S, a 63S, a 63, and another 63S. They got 4. They got 3 that's the same color and 1 that's the same color, but it's like gloss. The other ones are like matte. But these bitches are hard, bro. And this one has the wing that raises and lowers. These have the ones that just sit up top, This is a great color, I'm not gonna lie. I really do like it. But yeah, we're gonna just keep walking around the dealership and see what else we like. All right, y'all, so there's an X6M down here. I actually just drove a GLE 53. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with it. It's not the 63, but I still fuck with it. But I am about to test drive this. I'm not getting this. I just like them. Like, I like them a lot. Bro, this loud ass goddamn Mustang. Anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna test drive this because I actually like it and I never drove it. I wouldn't get one right now. This would be like a second car type, but I ain't even in the market for no second car right now. But yeah, he said he's gonna let me test drive this, and I might record that for y'all. I might not. I don't know yet, but we'll see. Oh, he done opened it. Let's take a look on it. Oh, it ain't open. The fuck? I just heard the door. This shit ain't work. One second, y'all. Yeah, he did have the wrong key, so. Okay. Okay, that sounds great. We're gonna take a look on the inside and then we're gonna go for a test drive. What's good with y'all, boys? We are in the Camaro now, as y'all can see. And yeah, we turned this vlog into a little POV because, if y'all don't know, I do somewhat vlogs also sometimes, but then other times I do POVs. And my windshield is very dirty. I apologize about that, but nothing we can do about it right now. We'll figure it out later. But we are in a good area where I can make my car pop a lot. And I'm gonna give y'all a video actually of how to do it and everything. Just so, everybody knows, like, you can learn how to pop your car if you don't know how to do it. You hear that? Yeah. Bro, they're going too goddamn slow. I'm not gonna lie. Then the car behind me riding up close as hell to me. Let's see if I can get some more pops inside the car that y'all can hear. My gas light about to come on, so. Oh my goodness, bro. I gotta roll the window down for that. leaving nowhere for the rest of the night. So I'm finna go home with the gas light on. Then I'm gonna be sick tomorrow because I gotta stop and get gas. Actually, I might stop and get gas right here. Just a little bit for tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I ain't putting a lot in here, so we're finna pull in right here for a second. We're gonna just put a little bit in here. We not finna fill up or none of that shit. Cause, but oh hell no, we not filling up. We not even going nowhere to filling up, nigga. We not even going half a tank. What the fuck? Let me show y'all this. Hold on. So look, let me show y'all boys this shit. What in the fuck, nigga? Do I live in California? The hell? Shit's insane. That shit's crazy because let me make sure this ain't one of them little skimmer things. You know them Atlanta niggas down here get crazy with it. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, that shit is crazy. Bro, fuck out of here. Almost $5 for some damn gas. I promise you. See, this is why I don't fill up nowhere else. Fuck no. Who the fuck gets a car wash at the gas station? Fuck out of here, nigga. Damn! Look at that. Goddamn SRT truck. Y'all see that? I'm telling you, I'm not putting a lot in here at all. Like, nigga, I'm getting home. Some mail, too. Told y'all niggas I'm putting enough to get home. I don't give a fuck what y'all say. Say anything about, oh, you got the car, you don't want to pay for the gas. Nigga, shut the fuck up, bitch. I don't want to pay this much for the gas. There we go. Y'all boys go get y'all one of these, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, we're going to receipt, yes, no. Fuck no. Alright, let's go now. Let's get y'all a little start. I'm gonna be big goddamn rushing this way. Why the hell would you turn out this way? Like a little cold start. Not a cold start because it's not cold at all. But yeah, now we finna head to the crib. Yeah, now we finna head to our destination. Let's get out of here. Look at that. Got enough to get to the crib in a little, well, probably one place tomorrow. I'll probably need more gas tomorrow night. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, that's crazy. Like, bro, $5 for a damn gallon, bro. Really? And then the damn government about to crash at the same time. Shut down, whatever the fuck. Can I even turn out? I literally can't. Oh, they tripping. They can turn out right now and they not. So I'm gonna turn out right now. There we go. All this traffic up here. Oh, hell no, we behind the bus. We gotta get from behind this big bitch. Oh shit, sorry, I could've let you go out there. I'm sorry. Alright, let's roll the windows up, cause there's too many niggas looking at me right now, like, or that can look at me. I'm sorry, y'all, if I'm talking a lot. I ain't done this shit in so long. I'm sorry, but we getting back to the POBs. When we hit the highway, I'm not talking for the rest of the time, so be prepared for that. All right, now we moving. Y'all hear that, bro? On the track because I want to test my abilities on this road right here. I mean, niggas buying Ford Explorers and shit. Like, come on. All right, let's see what we can do. Bro, see, I need to come here late when it ain't no cars here, so I can get like an actual like. I ain't even get to go nowhere because there's damn cars in front of me. Oh, it's a level right there. I was like, bro, what the hell on my screen? Thought my video was getting fucked up. Y'all can't see that, but I can. My fault. Alright, when we get on the highway, we're gonna open this bitch up, but we stay in the speed limit. Yeah, that bitch sound poochie. Damn, the window's loud as hell. I'm gonna give y'all one more pull, then that's gonna be the end of this video. Alright, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. I enjoy y'all for watching these videos. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, and I'm out.